Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I finally finished the Springs Bloom junk journal, and it's for the design team project for the Sweets by Thelisha. And I have several videos if you want to watch on some of the processes. Some of them are video shorts, some of them are TikTok videos, YouTube, different things. But I'll have links in the description for the kit and for some of the things that I used in here. So this book measures approximately 6.5 inches by 9.5 inches, and it has a 3-inch spine. And there are a total of 168 pages. The first signature has like 15 regular pages in it, and then when you fold it in half, and then front to back folded in half, you have that. And then the second signature has 13 pages, and then the third signature has 14 pages, but it all totals to 168 pages, and that's including like your envelopes and things like that that are in there. So yeah, I just I added a doily and some of these little I forgot what you call these little things that that come from you usually use it to make like lampshades, and I forgot what it's called. But yeah, I added some of these little old things on here. And this is actually, you could use this as like a pocket and tuck something down in there. And then I hand stitched on these doilies and the fabric and stuff like that. But I have a video on how I made the cover, and I have more details about that in there. So I'm basically just going to go ahead and just show you the journal, and I'm going to put on some music and just kind of let you see as I go through it. And I use different papers. I've used Graphic 45, different lines of Graphic 45, Gilded Lily, oh gosh, I've used so many of them. I'll have a list in the description. I use some Tim Holtz papers, other digitals, and like I said, I'll just have a list in the description of the stuff that I've used. So let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like. I'm gonna try to stay in frame. I'm using a different camera. So let's get to it. this is pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please check out my other videos and my blog and my social media sites and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, check out the Sweets by Thelisha on her site, and she also has a Facebook page and a blog, The Neat Sweets. And I'll have links in the description where how you can access her kit and all the fun things associated with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.